to input the SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy M34 5G, first you have to locate the SIM slot. So it's actually located on the left side, on the left upper corner. Now you have to grab this SIM tool and input it right here, then press on it, and you will easily open this SIM tray. You will also have this notification on your screen, so now we can use your fingernails to open it. And as you can see right here, we can actually input the micro SD card, SIM card, or on the front also SIM card. So there's dual slot, but there's not actually the dual slot and the micro SD card. And if you input it on the SIM first slot, you have to put it like this with this gold pins to the upper section, then input it like here. Remember to have this circle like this, press on it, and now you will see that you actually successfully input the SIM card into your phone, and after a few seconds you will find that it's actually right here. And that's it right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.